Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a Node.js Express project which allows you to actually edit your videos directly in the browser with a Canva clone video editor kind of a project. So this is actually the directory structure as you can just see right here. I have given the link. You can directly purchase the full source code. So this is entirely built inside Node.js Express and it is using the FFMPEG WebAssembly library. So actually we are actually storing all the FFmpeg binaries as you can just see right here. It's simply stored right in the directory structure. So we are running this application on localhost. So I started this application. So let me show you the actual demo of the application. So once you open localhost, so this is actually the interface of the application. It's similar to Canva clone timeline editor. So here you simply select your video file, whatever video file you want to edit, and you place it inside the timeline section. And now you can actually play the video. And right here, you right click and you have the options to trim and split your video. So if you want to trim the video, you actually get these nice little sliders out there. With the help of this, you can simply trim out whatever portion of the video that you want to trim out. So you select the starting and the ending duration using these sliders. And then if you're happy, you simply click the done button. As soon as you click this, the processing will happen. And right here, you click the done button right here. After that, you simply click the render button and then the FFmpeg processing will start as soon as you do this. And then you can simply download the output video. So you will see that the output video is successfully downloaded. So in this easy way, you can split the video. And similarly, if you want to split a long video into multiple parts, again, the splitting part is also very easy. You simply drag the video on the timeline section and right click and you have this option here of split. So here you can split the video into two sections as you can just see here how easy it is. Simply select and right click and split, and here you can just see we splitted the video into three parts here. It's very easy, and this part if you don't need you can delete this part as you can just see here how easy it is. And once again then you simply click render button, and after that the FFmpeg will start execute directly in the browser. So you can directly purchase this project guys. The link is given in the description and it directly runs in the browser, this video editor project similar to Canva. So it will save you a lot of time. You can actually execute this application directly in the browser. So it's a single page application. All the processing directly happens in the browser. And apart from that, you can even change the quality of the video as well. So let's suppose you want to downgrade the video quality. You can select here dimensions right here. Just so you can just see here how easy it is to change the quality here. And once again, you do this, click the render button. It's really fast as well. As soon as you see the download button will come. So we are directly executing FFmpeg directly in the browser. So this is the overall project. If you are interested in this, the link is given in the description. After you purchase it, you will get the source code automatically from Google Drive. You will be redirected and it will be very easy for you to modify the source code as well. So all the things are customizable. You can just see here all the source code files are there. So you can even add more features on top of this video editor. And it's a single page application completely offline. It directly runs in the browser, so it doesn't have a backend. So it's a single page application in Node.js Express. So if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description. It's a timeline based video editor. So you basically can do anything with the video. You can select multiple videos, merge them, just drag them into the timeline section. And I showed you all the features right here. You can adjust the quality, split, trim the video. So if you're happy in this, the link is given in the description.